everyone, this is Ileana from Cherishurmemories, and I wanted to share with you guys this little kit that I got at the Scrapbook Expo that I went today. And I stopped at one of the little stores, and they were having these Simple Stories Make It Merry 12 by 12 collection as a kit, right? And I paid only $25 for everything. So it came with the paper pad, and then it came with the little book to put it together. It says the Make It Merry 6x8 snap holiday binder. 2D ring binder, comes with 8 snap pages, 12 pocket pages, 3 6.5 by 8, 3 4.5 by 6, 3 3 by 4s, and 3 by 4, 4 by 6s. So it came with a bunch of little with the little plastics. But anyways, so that's that, right? Let me show you all the way around. And then the kit came with, like I said, the paper. Came with an extra came with a tape. It came with an extra pocket pages, 2x8 and 4x4, 10 pieces to go inside the book as well. And then it gave you these little directions. Make It Merry Christmas album. I mean, I've made albums so many times, so I really don't need instructions, but I thought it was kind of cute to, you know, try it. Feel like you are learning all over again, and be creative. And it comes with stickers. I won't show like everything because I don't want to pull everything out, but I thought this was, you know, I can't wait to make this, let's just say, maybe for like Christmas in July. Make this project and put it up for sale and have fun with it, I guess. But I just wanted to share with you guys this. Oh, the little tape. I dropped the tape. I don't think this is the Sukwon tape, but definitely probably give the tape to my daughter if it doesn't stick very well. Kind of anal about my tapes. Alright. But thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye.